everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add image in Snapseed application. Adding an image on Snapseed involves importing a photo into the app from your device's camera roll or files. So here is how you can do it. First of all, tap open the Snapseed application. Once you end up in the main home page, tap on the plus button on the middle of the screen. Now, select your camera roll option or click on Open from Device, and this will take you to your photo library. Choose an image you would like to add, and in order to choose it, you'll just need to go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be able to see your preview on the screen. Once the image is imported to Snapseed, you can proceed to edit it using various tools and features offered by the app. These include tools like crop, rotate, healing, brush, selective, and others to make precise edits to your images. You can also go ahead and tap on the looks option and select your desired filters. Select the predefined filters to enhance or stylize your image. After making your desired edits, you can save or export the edited image. By tapping on the Export button at the bottom right corner, choose the desired export options from Save or Export from the options. So that is how you will be able to add an image in Snapseed. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.